Welcome back to Carolina Women. I have to say, sometimes Carolina women eat too many champagne, have too much champagne and eat too many French fries. So, Metabolic Research, our Debi Inge is here today to show us some things that we can do and give us some recipes for healthy eating for this new year. Happy 2022.
Yes, so I want to talk about your French fries, if I may.
Oh.
Yeah, so don't cover that up. So you are allowed to have potatoes. So one great thing we have now is an air fryer, right?
I love mine.
Put your potato, chop them up, put them in the air fryer. You have French fries. You just can only have a certain amount, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, so the champagne, of course, no.
Yeah, not so much.
Yeah, but you can get the fake stuff.
When we were talking about what we were going to talk about,
yes,
recipes, because I think when we have recipes and we know what we're going to eat,
it's going to make it a lot easier to stick with the diet.
Yes, and we tend to make healthier choices.
Yes.
That is absolutely right. So New Year's resolutions. So we like to always tell everyone, don't make a resolution, let's make a solution. And I know that's sort of old-fashioned.
No, I love it.
But you really have to figure, if you're going to obligate yourself to this, you put yourself under pressure. And that lasts normally 6 weeks. So what we want to say is, you really want to get this weight loss thing going now. You've went through the holidays. You're feeling pretty up because you've eaten a lot of things we shouldn't be eating, all of us.
Yeah.
So the great thing is we have a recipe book. Pull out the recipe book.
Oh, do you have it? Yeah.
Yes.
So diet is the wrong term. You're looking for like permanence, and this is
Lifestyle.
like a change in how people
Yes.
approach food.
Exactly.
And their whole relationship with it.
You hit it. Get your good recipes. And so we're not going to leave you in the dark. You want chili? We have it. You want some shakes? We have it. You want lasagna? We have it. You pretty much name a recipe, we've got it.
Have you made them? Are they any good?
Oh, they're delicious.
Oh,
yes. The pumpkin cheesecake is a huge favorite. The nachos, huge favorite, especially at game time. Get your wings, have your nachos. You're there with everybody else. Right.
The last time we were all together, do you remember this? We were chatting about the ability to eat everything on this diet. No, not diet. On this lifestyle program.
Right. Exactly. So I brought with me nachos.
Okay.
People always, my biggest thing is I miss a crunch.
Yep.
Right? So this is our snack. It's not a meal. This is truly a snack. It's a protein. It's got 15 grams of pea protein in it. So what can you do with this besides if you just want to crunch? Why not make a taco on your plate? Throw them down on a plate, pile it up with all your yummy stuff, and you've got your shell. Or if you're having that chili, there's your crackers.
And salsas are good.
Salsas, yeah, I bet that's good.
Yes, you can have salsa, guacamole. We have, the recipe book's
Can we
great.
talk about basics for the people in this new year who maybe don't know a lot about metabolic research, kind of how this program works? It really is cool. We've actually had firsthand experience. We got to visit you.
We did.
Yes, it's fun. So you're just going to come see me, and we're going to go over some background information, see what kind of medical history you might have, what your eating habits are like, so we can get a program for you so you can be successful.
So it's individualized?
Very individualized, yes.
And so what does that look like? You help me with meal planning, you help us with recipes, you have also product?
Exactly, yes. So you have to think, what works for you is not going to work for me. I'm a vegetarian.
Right, I remember that. She's a runner too.
Someone comes in there
Putting
and they're
us to
going
shame.
to, no.
Well, yes, she
What
does.
about the accountability part, though? Sometimes you go into these life changes and you want someone to make sure that you're keeping up with it.
Well, that's you,
accountability
coach.
That's me. And when you're in there talking to me on your first round, especially when you first come in, we want to talk about what's going on at home.
Okay.
Are you married? Is your husband or is your wife on board with this? Because if they are, you're going to do better. If they're not, then I need to help you with some tips to get them to come on board with you so you can be more successful at home. And then I'm a phone call away or a chat away.
As always, we both learn so much. It's
do.
really fun. It is wonderful to start the new year with health and wellness in mind.
Yes.
So thank you. Stay with us. There's a lot more to come here on Carolina Women.